Hello everyone, welcome back to the university, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can transfer your YouTube statistics sheets into your Google Sheets. So first you have to go to YouTube Studio, and here we are in my dashboard, and as you can see I only have few subscribers. So if you may please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and please extend your appreciation by giving us a like and sharing this video. Alright, so as you can see there's no button that will enable you to download the said stat sheet. Alright, so you can go to channel analytics, or you can click it right here, and you click see more, and as you can see there will pop up a button right here that asks you if you want to export the current view. Okay, so you can have two options right here to download it in a Google Sheet and be opened in a new tab. And you can also access that particular Google Sheet in your Google Drive if you download it, and or um, use this option to download it in a comma separated values. So for computer programmers this is very important because they can readily export it to their database. Okay, so in our case we're gonna use the first option, which we download it to our Google Sheet in a new tab. So let's just wait for a while as Google is trying to prepare our stat sheet, and there you go. So a lot of numbers, right? Okay, and you can also um, yeah, do anything that you want right here. Okay, and you can also share this to anyone who has the link. Okay, provided that you indicate the right permission. So the setup is restricted, but you can actually modify it to those who has the link. So anyone with the link can view your file. So you can copy the link and send it to the person that you want to have access or to view your statistics. So okay guys, that's how we transfer our stat sheet or YouTube stat sheet into a Google Sheet. So please guys, um, subscribe to the university, and please extend your appreciation by giving us a like and sharing our content. So I hope to see you soon in the university. Bye bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated in our upcoming videos. Bye bye.